Well, welcome to another DP gear review. We're in the second part of our inflatable kayaks, and today, Jack?
Yeah, last time we did the kayak review, but we didn't mention anything about paddling because when we look into the paddles, we realize it's so complicated.
So we're going to give you our 6 tips on what to look for when you're buying a paddle. Paddles, of course, are very important. Let's get going, Jack.
Tip number 1, start easy. When you first start kayaking, it's no need to buy an expensive one. Just start with something like a 300 Hong Kong dollar one, equivalent to 40 US dollar. No need to spend so much on that. You will get a taste of it to see if you really like kayaking or not.
Well, tip number 2 is about the length of the paddle. Getting the length of the paddle right is going to give you a much more comfortable journey and make you paddle straighter as well. Now, to get the right length, you have to do 2 measurements. Firstly, you need to know how tall you are. I know that I am almost exactly 6 foot, and then I need to measure the width of my kayak. In this case, I measure it out here, telling me it's at 35 inches, and from that, I'm gonna go to this table, and from this table, I can work out exactly how tall my paddle needs to be. Now, once I've done that, I can set the length. If I have an adjustable one, obviously if I have a single I can't, I can set the length for this particular kayak, get it just optimal, and then get out paddling. Right, let's go.
Tip number 3 is about parts. This one I have in hand is a one-piece paddle. Most of the professional kayaks are using it because it's really rigid. You cannot take it apart, you cannot adjust the height, but your power won't lose during paddling. But you have to carry it like one piece. These ones are 2 pieces. You can take it apart, you can adjust the height. It's a compromise from the rigid one piece, but you can put it in your kayak bag. Wow, still hard to put in your backpack. Here comes the 4-piece ones. This one can down to a proper packing size for your backpack. And this one, the same thing, you can even adjust the height. It's really packable for day trip. But you have 3 joints and you lose a bit of the rigidity. You have to choose in between them.
Now, tip number 4 is about the shape of the blade. If you go in to buy a paddle, you're going to see different shaped blades. You may not know what to get. If you're starting out, just get something simple like this, a fairly low angle, lots of space. That's going to make your paddle fairly easy. If you want to be more advanced, you want to look at a blade more like this with a thinner shape and more of an angle on it. Now that's going to allow you to do more kind of white water maneuvers and also deal with heavy waves. But if you're starting out, just go for something simple like this.
Tip number 5 is about weight. When you're new to kayak, you go out for the long day paddling, the weight really matters. There are 3 different kinds of paddles. First, aluminum. It's the most endurable one. It's a little heavier. And there's also another kind, fiberglass. It's much lighter but easy to chip. This one, carbon fiber, lightest, very strong, but you pay the price for it.
And tip number 6 is about the blade material. Now, like with the shafts and that weight that we described earlier, there are 3 kinds of blades. Plastic, which is the most common. This is probably what you want to start out with. It is the heaviest, but it's reasonably durable. The second is fiberglass that we don't have here, that, as we said before, easily chips, but is fairly lightweight. And finally, you may want to go for carbon fiber. By far the most expensive, but very solid and very light too. Well, that's the end of this episode. Me and Jack, we've chosen our paddles and it's time for us to get our kayaks and get into the water. How has it been for you, Jack?
It was fun to study. Yeah, what's the material, what's the weight, whatsoever.
I can't emphasize how important it is to get the paddle right. Maybe start off with something simple, as we said. Take your time. If you do get into kayaking though, take your time, get yourself a really good paddle and it will stay with you for the rest of your life.
Let's go paddling!
Now please like and subscribe as always. wherever you see this, then you'll get all of our reviews as well as our Friday special adventures that we do every Friday here on Drone and Phone. For now, bye-bye.
Bye! It's Clark.
He's Jack. Okay.